In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move lists on your Trello board. If you're someone who organizes tasks, projects, or workflows using Trello, you know that keeping your boards neat and functional is key to staying productive. Sometimes you might need to move a list from one board to another, whether you're reorganizing a project or simply sharing information with your team. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Now, to sign in, you can use your email and password or choose an option like signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. If you're using your email, simply enter your credentials and then click Login to confirm. After you've logged in, give Trello a moment to load your home screen where you'll see all your workspaces and boards. Next, identify the board that contains the list you want to move. Once you've found it, click on that board to open it. Now that you're viewing the board, locate the specific list you'd like to move. At the top right corner of your chosen list, you'll notice 3 small dots. These dots open the List Actions menu. Click on them, and then from the drop-down menu, select the option Move List. A small window will appear where you'll set the destination for your list. Start by choosing the board you want to move the list to. If you have multiple boards, take a moment to scroll through and select the correct one. Once you've chosen the destination board, you'll need to decide on the position of the list within that board. You can choose to place it at the beginning, at the end, or between specific lists. Pick the position that works best for your layout. When you've made your selection, click the Move button to confirm. Trello will now begin relocating your list to the chosen board and position. If you don't immediately see the change on the destination board, try refreshing your browser page. This should update the view and display the relocated list. Now, if the Move option in the List Actions menu is grayed out, it's possible that you don't have the necessary permissions to move lists. In this case, you'll need to check with your workspace administrator to resolve the issue. Finally, if you need to move additional lists, simply repeat this process for each one. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move lists on your Trello board. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.